First at 4, the latest CDC data shows that Pennsylvania's COVID-19 case numbers have declined by about 10% over the past week, prompting some to wonder if we're nearing the end of the Omicron variant surge. Thanks for joining us this afternoon. I'm Evan Forrester. The data of the Department of Health shows, meanwhile, that Pennsylvania is averaging more than 25,000 cases per day over the past week. Fox 43's Madeline Cudahy spoke with a health expert from the CDC on why they're not convinced we're in the clear.
The Omicron variant spreading across the U.S. for months now.
When I look nationally, I look at other states, there still are some places where the disease rates are really high and they're not necessarily leveling or decreasing. And so we're not really out of the woods yet.
The latest data from the CDC shows only 67% of people in the U.S. 5 and older are fully vaccinated, and just under 80% have gotten at least one dose. Dr. Julie Morita, a member of the CDC's advisory committee, says those numbers aren't ideal if we want to end the surge.
Has happened every few months with this pandemic. We have a surge based on a new variant that emerges. Disease rates go down, we relax, and then there's another variant that occurs.
While in Pennsylvania, COVID-19 case numbers have decreased over the past week, hospitalizations and deaths continue to rise. And Dr. Morita says until there's more widespread vaccination and less stress on healthcare systems, there's no end in sight.
What we have is really high rates of disease that are really stressing our healthcare systems to the point that some people are having to really prioritize who gets healthcare. And so I think we really have to get through this particular wave of activity and then start thinking about how it is that we can maintain our society from a healthcare delivery perspective to really continue life through this pandemic.
And getting through the pandemic, Dr. Morita says, requires everyone to do their part, including vaccinations, boosters, and masks. Madeline Cudahy, Fox 43 News.